How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Riverstone. This is going to be their 425 FO floor plan. Now we're going to start with your pass-through storage first, of course. It does go all the way through. Your water station is on the other side. Now, like I said, the model number is 425 FO, and that is going to stand for front office. You'll see that as soon as we get on the inside. But we're going to check out this exterior first. On the campsite here, you have 3 slide outs, 2 awnings. Checking the tires out, you can see that we have triple axle. A little bit of an oversized outdoor griddle situation, plenty of storage. But the really cool thing is this pull-out tray by Moride off the back. Really, really awesome. You can bring all of the camping supplies, but I want to head on the inside. We're going to head up these solid steps and check out that kitchen first. So we have a little pop-out counter space here, which is really nice. It adds a little bit of extra prep room, dishwasher, dual basin sink. In this slide out here, you're going to have your microwave, 4-burner cooktop, oven down below. If we keep moving to the left, you're going to have your residential fridge. You do have a little bit of pantry action right off of the fridge with these cute pull-out drawers. And then across from all of that, you're going to have your freestanding dinette. Altogether, this camper does come with 4 chairs, but you are just seeing 2 right now, just as a heads up. If we go up these steps here, you're going to find your front den area. You got 2 couches on either side, opposing slides. Really opens the floor space up in here. These 2 couches do fold into a bed. And then your entertainment center is going to consist of your smart TV, your sound bar, and then your fireplace down below. But there is a little bit of a secret. If we open this guy up, you see your FO, or front office. Plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. You also have like a little cubby hole right here, so maybe the kids can pass you dinner. I don't know. Kind of cool. I love it. Across from your entertainment center, you are going to have your theater seating. This theater seating does have remote storage in the middle. Does recline, and you have cup holders on either side. But if we go down these stairs and up these other stairs down the hallway, you're going to find yourself in the bathroom. Really great looking bathroom overall. You've got your oversized shower, skylight up above, corner seat, a little bit of towel storage, as well as your porcelain toilet down below. Gorgeous medicine cabinet. But if we make our way towards the rear, you're going to find yourself in the main bedroom. This is going to be a king-size bed. You have gorgeous headboard area with those night lights. It is on. You do have opposing slides up in this bedroom, which is really nice to have. Like I said with the front, it opens the walkway up in here just like a million times more. As far as wardrobe space goes, you've got plenty of it. The vacuum comes with it. The laundry basket comes with it. They really thought of everything. But if you slide this guy over, of course, you have washer and dryer. Across from your king-size bed, you're going to have your smart TV, another window, and a couple extra cabinets to store those knickknacks. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Riverstone Legacy 425 FO. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You see your FO, or front office. Plenty of counter space, plenty of storage. You also have like a